Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Chrome downloads not showing at bottom. So if you try to download the Messenger Lite, as you can see here, and we want to try to click on the download button, and as you can see here, it is not show up here at the bottom, and it has showed up here at the top right of your screen. So how can we revert it back at the bottom? So first you need to add a new tab and type right here Chrome and then to forward slash and then type on flex. And then go to the search box at the top and type right here download. And then you will find the enable download bubble and it's on the default option and try to change it to disabled and click this relaunch at the bottom right corner. Then let's go back to Messenger Lite app and try to download again this one. And as you can see, it is now shows up on the bottom of your screen. But if the problem persists, you need to try this second solution, which is download the older version of Google Chrome. Open a Google Chrome here and try to type here on the search box Google Chrome up to down PC and then go to the first link right here up to down and you just need to click on this older versions. So if you click this one, you'll find all the versions of Google Chrome. So you need to download an older version and try to fix the problem. So that's it. That's how you basically fix Google Chrome downloads not showing at bottom. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.